Bakit ako nag-live? Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon, guys. Shout out. Maraming salamat po sa mga dumadaan. Thank you, guys. Is 1 minute. So, shout out po kay Ma'am Filipina and Turkish of Istanbul. Ayan, sa aking new member sa aking channel. Thank you so much, Ma'am Filipina. Thank you. And sa mga gusto pang magpa-shout out, just leave the comment to my new upload, guys. Are you done? Are you done to watch my new upload, guys? Thank you so much. Shout out. Magandang hapon po. Ayan, pasok po tayo. You can promote your channel. So, if I see your comment to my new upload, I'll be return, guys. That's surely return. So, just please leave the comment to my new upload. Hello. Ayan, tayo mag-highlight. Start my highlight. Shout out. Just like and comment my live, guys. Don't forget to comment my live. Okay? Ay, wait lang. Ayan. Ayan, wala pa. Meron na po tayong 2 viewers kanina. So, just please like and subscribe my channel. So, hindi pa po nakapag-like sa aking channel. Ayan. Tayo po ay magpaganda. Ayusin natin. Hello! Bagay ba sa akin yung nakalugay? O nakatali? Ayan. Hoy, magtali na lang tayo. Hi! Magandang hapon! Magandang hapon sa lahat! Hello! Ayan, magtali tayo ng buhok. Ayan, hello po. Hi. It's 4 minutes to go. So, wala pa tayong booth. Tayo mag-live again. Please like.